So next is the inverse Z transform using residue method. So according to residue method, so what is our formula means summation z minus zeta x of z power n minus 1 when z equal to z. Okay, so remember this. So we can see the problem. So by residue method, find inverse z transform and x of z is 1 plus 3z inverse plus divided by 1 plus 3z inverse plus 2z inverse. So where region of convergence is greater than 1. So what is the first step means? So in this residue method, the first step is you want to write x of z in terms of z. Okay, you want to write x of z in terms of z. So how will you write? So if the question is in the form of z inverse formula question irundha ella z inverse z formula change pannu. So how will you change it? Take z inverse as common, here z power minus 2 as common. So if you take the common terms, you will get z into z plus 3 divided by z square plus 3z plus 2. Okay, and now second step, you want to multiply x of z term with z power n minus 1. So here we get x of z as this term and you want to multiply with z power minus 1. So here if you separate this value, it is z power n into z power minus 1. So this term get cancelled. So you will get this answer. Okay, third step, you want to find x of n. X of n find pananona another. So what is our formula? X of z into summation of x of z into z power minus 1 z plus 1. Okay, so when z is equal to, so here how many power factors? Z equal to minus 1 and z equal to minus 2. So here z equal to minus 1, so plus the z equal to minus 2 value. So write x of z value into z power minus 1 we have calculated. So in the value kuda either multiply panna z plus 1 when z equal to minus 1. Here this value multiply with z plus 2 when z equal to minus 2. Okay, so substitute the z value and you will get the answer as this one. Okay, so now remember, after substituting z equal to minus 1, you will get x of n value was this one. So now what is our answer? X of n is this one. Okay, so now we want to find x of n for n less than 0. What is the value? X of n is 0. For greater than value only, you will get this value because u of n is applicable only for greater value. So remaining value is 0. Okay, because in the question they are given for n greater than 0. X of find x of n greater than 0. Can you understand? So for residue method, first you want to find x of z in terms of z. Here also in this problem also change all x of z values in terms of z. Okay, so for this take z power minus 1 as common. So here you can separate the a minus b the whole square formula separate பண்ணிட்டு higher power வெளியில எடுத்துருங்க. So z power minus 2 is outside. Okay, and you will get this term. Next multiply with z power n minus 1, you will get this term. Next is summation. Okay, so here remember here the value is the whole square. So nama partial fraction method la idhe formula use pannu. Same formula is here. There is 1 by the n highest power is 2 minus what is the power for this term? N minus 1 factorial. Okay, so d power n minus 1 divided by d power n minus 1, this value. Okay, so அதே formula தான் இங்கேயும். So x of z power n minus 1 என்ன கிடைச்சது? அது into z power minus 1 the whole power the whole square. So next differentiate this value. So if you differentiate, you will get the value as this one. Okay, 2n into 1 by 4. So it is 2n 1 by 4 the whole power n u of n. So now less than 0 ku 0, only for greater values, that is u of n value, the answer is this one. Okay, so region of convergence is less than 1 by 4. Okay, less than 1 by 4 means less than symbol na enna applicable irukum? U of n minus 1 appadina minus u of n minus 1, greater than symbol na u of n. So idu kuda the less than symbol irukanaala you can write this value as minus u of n minus 1. Okay, so in this problem also you can write as, so here region of convergence from 2 to 3. So first write x of z in terms of z. Okay, so you get this value, and next you want to multiply with z power minus and you get this value, and now sum of residue. Okay, so it is the previous problem. And now if you see the region of convergence, okay, it is rise between 2 to 3. Okay, so 2 to 3 means less than 2 value. Okay, so less than value means you want to multiply with the u of n. Okay, less than, that is greater than value. Okay, greater than z value. Z value na u of n. Less than value na எதனால multiply பண்ணணும்? நம்ம u of n எப்படி replace பண்ணணும்? Minus u of n minus 1. So அதுதான் இங்க replace பண்ணிருக்கு. So the answer is here less than இருக்கனால minus 2 here இங்கே என்னது less than z value இப்படிதான். அப்போ இதுக்கு u of n மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். ஸோ ஹியர் தேர் இஸ் less than z value, ஸோ அதனால் minus u n minus 1 value. ஸோ இட் இஸ் அவர் ஆன்சர். கேன் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? ஸோ இதுக்கு நம்ம ஃபார்முலா அப்ளை பண்ணணும். Okay, 1 by n minus 1 factorial in this problem. And apply n minus 1 factorial d power n minus 1 dz power n minus 1 this formula. Okay, x of z power n minus 1 formula. Okay, so அங்கே என்ன பண்ணுவோம், நம்ம x1 of z find பண்ணுவோம். Okay, இங்கே x of z power n minus 1 into our factorized term and substitute z equal to 1. So it is a formula. Remember this formula, it is a residue method formula. Okay, so அல்லாமல் இருந்தனா you don't want to differentiate this, otherwise you want to differentiate. So after differentiating you will get this answer, and here u of n greater than 0 values. Okay, so do it and see this problem. Thank you.